Today I am going to show you how to change a color to any color in Photoshop. So first of all, duplicate layer by pressing Ctrl+J and choose Quick Selection tool to make a selection. Select gently. Now create mask. So all we have to do is to create a hue saturation adjustment layer. Now check colorize and create clipping mask. And then you can work and choose any color you want. You can make it red, pink, whatever color you like. You can also work the saturation and lightness if you don't like so much.